Good afternoon. How can I help you today? Hi, I'm looking for a bay of rock to protect my eyes from chemical splash. Do you have anything suitable? Yes, we have two types of safety book available. Would you like me to tell you about their feature? Yes, please. I'd like to know about the material property, special feature, origin, and price. Sure, the first type has glass lens and a rubber band. It is brittle, light, and elastic. It's also designed with a vent to reduce flopping. This one is made in Japan and costs $8.49. I see. What about the second one? The second one has plastic lens and a rubber band. It's crash resistant, light, and elastic. This model fits well with the face, providing better protection and comfort. It's made in Korea and is slightly cheaper with $8.19. I think the scratch resistance and good fit are important for me. I take the second one. Great choice. I get you it for you now. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have a safe day.